Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana on Raydium. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for radium.io. Then you need to press this search icon in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on Google, where you will have to select the first website of Radium.io. Then you will be landed on the official website of Radium, where you need to tap on the launch app option. Now over here you need to connect your Trust wallet with it, and after connecting your Trust wallet you will have to select Solana in the from section. Then in the to section you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and then in the search bar you simply need to search for the token that you want to swap. Let's say I want to swap my Solana into USDT, so I'll simply type USDT in this section, and once I found USDT I'll simply tap on it in order to select it. As Radium is a bit slow, so it is not showing me USDT as of right now, but you will have to select the token that you want. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to swap, and then you just have to tap on the swap option in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily swap Solana on Raydium. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.